Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm going to tell you about one very effective and natural hair mask to fight with dandruff. And regular use of this hair mask, you will definitely get rid of all those itchy scalp, which is a main reason for your dandruff. I have been using this hair mask since 2 weeks now and result is amazing. So let's start the video. So friends, for this mask we'll take plain curd, lemon and black pepper powder. In half bowl of curd, we'll take 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and we'll squeeze half lemon juice. Mix it well and your hair mask is ready to apply. Now let's try this mask. Make a small hair parting and apply it all over your scalp. So combination of these products makes a perfect natural remedy for dandruff. While curds provide many nutrients, it has vitamin B5 and proteins which also fortify your scalp and reduce down the dandruff. Other side, lemon's acidity helps balance the pH of your scalp which helps keeps dandruff at bay. And lastly, black pepper. It's rich in zinc and also got antifungal properties which is very much effective for your itchy scalp. After that, massage your scalp cause it increase the blood circulation and which is more effective. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it off. So this hair mask not only gives you dandruff free hair, also make your hair very soft and smooth. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Today, this much. We'll meet you soon on my next video. Till the time, bye bye.